Hey, welcome traders. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a safe trading day. Today we're going to go over some of the action from today's markets. As you can see, futures are down slightly, but overall today was just a choppy day. Look, even SPY was down only 13 cents for the day. You know, it went back and forth from being up and then being down and pulled back, chopped around. SPX still only down $1.94. You could see Apple ended up for the day, $1.40. Tesla was up $15.77. Nvidia ended up $2. Look, you still had some action here. You had Northrop Grumman was up $18.65. You had Lockheed Martin was up $13.82. PLAN up $14. So there was just not a lot of green in the market today. Not a lot of green. Lots of pullbacks. Lots of chop in the market. So Tesla ended up with the doji just right under 947. It tested it this morning, then pulled back, but look, still have the gap. Closed above the 50-day moving average. Now let's see. This is a very key level here. We'll see if it tries to test it later this week, or maybe even break through it. Keep an eye on that. Let's look at SPY so you can see what some of the action looked like. Strong move over the last few days. Ended up on a doji. Still closed above the 50-day moving average and just under the 200-day moving average. So to give you a sense of what the action was like today, you can see it ran up to 446, then just chopped around a little bit, pulled back, and held this level here, 444. So just under 444, and then closed at 444. Look at the futures for the NQ. Same deal, made a high here, just kind of chopped around, hung around these moving averages. SPY, these charts look almost the same, almost identical. Then had a last push at the end. So that was pretty much the story. Facebook was down $5. Could have caught a move here at the open, but you had to be watching for it. GS also had a move at the open. Strong downward candle, and then just kind of chopped around and then slowly made its way down further throughout the day for anyone who wanted to hold or anyone who was in that action. But overall, not too much going on with the market today. Choppy. The market was kind of driving, and then information came out about a possible rate hike or accelerated more aggressive adjustment to half a point, which could happen sooner. Market didn't like that, so market started pulling back and chopping around. You can see not a lot of action here. There were some greens. Look at DE, but as you can see, look, a lot of that action happened in the morning and then just held the higher level. PXD, same thing. Strong move in the morning, strong move after that, and then just held that level. And that a lot of these charts look similar. Here was one. Coin was down $9.13. This would have been your signal here. In or off the low. You're in for a nice little downward action. 178, 171. Nice $7 move, $6 move, depending on when you got in. But just paid off, then it bounced. Look, this is a key level here. So obviously it consolidated, bounced off that level, and then we didn't see it test it for the rest of the day. But coin was definitely down, $9.13. HD was also down, $11.37. So you see we had a try to make a high up here, which it did, but as you can see with these next two candles, there was no follow through to the upside. So sometimes you have to switch gears. You got to be objective. So if you see this is not working out, then you see this level gets taken out. It also takes out yesterday's close. That's a opportunity to get in right there on this candle. And if you wanted to be extra conservative, then you could have gotten in this candle, but you would have missed most of the move. 334 to 330, so $3-4 again, depending on where you got in. Then it slowly made its way a little lower and rested, close above this key level. So $11 to the downside, $9 to the downside of coin. Apple didn't do much, had a strong candle here, a couple inside candles bouncing around off of between these EMAs and this key level here, and then just chopped, just chopped around all day. And these are the kind of days where you don't want to take a position because it's all chop. You see, there's not a lot of strong follow through here. There's no strong follow through to the downside. It's just chopping in between these key levels: 165, 162, 165.96, and 162.35. It's chopping up. It did reach above 165.96. It hit a high of 166.35. But as you can see, after that, you had a green candle that held close to that level, set red candle, and then just kind of drifted its way down. Even at the end of the day, it didn't test it again. It ended up positive, but didn't test that key level. Dow Jones was down quite a bit, $2, down $2 here. But again, look, similar action. Just kind of held this level for the first half of the day, and then held a slightly lower level end of the day. And this is common. We saw this on a lot of the stocks. A lot of the stocks, green action here, trying to push up. So that's all I got for today. Not a lot to go over, just a lot of chop. You can even look up this one up $14 PLAN, but gapped up. These are the kind of trades where you don't want to, you just don't want to chase them, because the level of gap here is just significant. And then yes, it did hold the high, so we'll see what it does tomorrow. That's definitely one you don't want to trade, because it doesn't show significant follow through. That's all I got for today. We'll tune in later this week to see how the market action is shaping up for the week. And that's it for Joseph at Powerful Gain Stock Options.